are many different ways that you can use rice to bring in prosperity, success, and to keep your money flowing. It's a lot of things that you can do to make this rice work for you. The main thing that I do is just leave it on a bowl throughout my house, anywhere in my house. You can put it wherever you want to. In your living room, if you don't want it to be seen, you can put it under your couch. You can place it in a jar or a bowl behind your front door. Wherever you want to put it, that's where it can go. And it doesn't have to be a big bowl. It can be a little small saucer bowl or sauce bowl or whatever. It doesn't have to be anything big. And sometimes I put a bay leaf in my rice just like that. Just being greedy. Just being plain old greedy. That's ridiculous, right? So, and also this rice is on the website. And don't think that this is the rice that I'm shipping out. It's not. This is just like demo. Like this is my own personal bowl right here. So yeah, this is on the website. Also, you can carry rice in your pocket or your wallet. To attract more money. You can sprinkle this rice in the corner of your house or in your place of business to bring prosperity to you. And also, some people put it in their shoes. So if you want to do that, you can. I mean, I'm not knocking it. I don't do that method, but if you want to, here you go. Just walk around on that rice for 3 days in your shoes. And then sprinkle it on your floor and sweep it out your front door, and that'll make money come into your house. So yeah, what's some other things? Oh, some psalms right quick. I'm gonna give you some psalms. To gain financial success, you can just burn a green candle each night for 5 nights in a row before going into any new adventure. And to get financial assistance, you can burn a green candle anointed with money oil, financial oil, any kind of money oil that you want. And your money requests, let your money requests be known. And you can anoint a $10 bill and carry it with you in your wallet at all times, and more money will flow to you. Yeah, so while you burn that green candle, anoint that $10 bill and carry it with you. You got to do everything together, okay? And then good one to find money. Oh, that was Psalm 35. 35, y'all, 35. Another good psalm to do is Psalm 72. To find money, you can stand by an open window and read Psalm 72. Small amounts of money will flow to you. Nothing big, but it might be 10, 20, little stuff, nothing big. Another one that you can use for financial blessings. Now this gonna take a little bit more. So you can get a handkerchief and a small towel. Not the big towels that you dry off with, like a hand towel or a washcloth or something, like a small towel. So get your handkerchief and a small towel and put them both in a bowl and pour 3 bottles of glory water on them. And I'm also put the recipe for glory water too, in case you can't get it and you want to make your own glory water. I'm gonna put that. I don't know. I'll put it in the description box, or I'll make another video for it. So you put that in the bowl and pour 3 bottles of the glory water on it. As you rinse the towels in the glory water, recite Psalm 67 out loud 3 times. Hang your handkerchief and the bath towel out to dry. Use the handkerchief and the towel just as you normally would, but make sure that nobody else touches it. Only you need to touch that. So what's one more? Oh, if your business is not doing as well, you know you got a physical location and your business not doing as well, you can sprinkle a trail of silver magnetic sand from your front door to your cash register. And while you're doing that, you got to do a little bit of visualization, a little manifesting while you're doing that. So as you sprinkling that from the front door to your cash register, just visualize what you want. You want more customers coming in. You want to sell more product. Just visualize that as you sprinkling it. Don't sprinkle and be like, oh, this ain't gonna work, or oh my god. No negative thoughts, positive thoughts only as you're doing that. Okay. So yes. Oh, and this also, money candle. And y'all, these are like props. My candles are made to order. So these are just props that I use for videos. Or if I'm out and people want to see the product, smell it, touch, you know. So that's what I keep these for. So don't think that this is your product that's being used in videos. No, it's just for illustration purposes. It's just props, that's all. So yeah, y'all can check out the website. We got the money candle, the focus and concentration candle, road opener. Okay, and they all come fixed with oils and different herbs. So each candle will be different. Sparkle hustle candle. And this is my self-love candle. So yes, remember, all candles are made to order. They come sealed, prayed over, everything. These are just like prototypes. They're just for display. It's not that's not your candle that's going out like that, okay? So yeah, I hope y'all find this helpful. And of course, if y'all get money, y'all get into the money, okay? Shop the website. If you get into the money. That's how you can repay me. Shop the website. That's it. And until next time, y'all stay blessed and highly favored.